This video is sponsored by BuyMote E-Shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household products at a very cheap rate. In this video, let us see how we can find out whether your content is human generated or AI generated using a free tool which is ZeroGPT. So first I go to chatgpt.com. I type, I need a blog post in 300 words about. Now I go to Microsoft Word and copy the heading of my blog post. I copy the whole heading, right mouse click, copy and paste it here. Now I click on search. Within seconds, the Chat GPT will generate a blog post of about 300 words. Now, I copy the whole content, right mouse click, copy, and I go to Google and type ZeroGPT, which is our free tool. I click on that and click on the first search result. Now, this tool is used to check the plagiarism and AI created content within seconds. Now I right mouse click, paste the content and click for the check text. Now you can see our content is 95.54% created by AI. Now I copy the whole text and click on delete. Now I go back to the Microsoft Word and copy all the content which is human generated. I right mouse click, copy and go back to the ZeroGPT and paste the same content here. Now I click on check text. Now you can see your text is human written and 0% AI GPT. So in this way, you can easily find out whether your content is created using Chat GPT or which is human written. You can check also the other contents in my YouTube channel, which is given in the I button. Thank you.